Are you ready to shatter the barriers holding you back? I'm talking about turning your wildest desires into reality, whether it's launching that dream business or diving into a sea of wealth. Now, what if I told you that attracting anything you desire is simpler than it seems? I know some of you might be skeptical. You might be thinking, can attracting wealth and abundance really be that easy? You may wonder if you have to grind for years on end. Well, brace yourself, because I'm about to reveal truths that will leave you in awe. I've been where you are, doubting and working hard, waiting for my ship to come in. After watching this video, your perspective on money will never be the same. I've personally applied these techniques, and the results have been extraordinary. It's time to uncover the secrets, hidden gems, and the powerhouse method, the law of attraction. Pay attention as we dive into a step-by-step guide to manifesting anything you desire in life. The human mind is the most potent mechanism in the entire universe. Mastering these steps will turbocharge your manifesting abilities, making you a pro in no time. We are all unique with different dreams and desires. So how can this simple technique work for everyone? The answer is refreshingly simple. These techniques work universally. However, sometimes you might feel like you're missing a puzzle piece. The key factor that can trip people up is not having the lowdown on every vital step to manifest and co-create with the universe. Remember, you're not just along for the ride. You're the co-creator of your own destiny. Everything around you is a result of your own manifestation. But the time for passive manifesting is over. Today is the day you take charge and create the reality you desire, one of success, happiness, and abundance. Feeling overwhelmed with choices? When manifesting, be specific. Close your eyes, tune into your heart, and ask yourself, what do I genuinely want? Your desires should reflect your best interests. Choose your desires wisely and believe that you'll receive what you're asking for. Ditch limiting beliefs and focus on the process of your manifestation journey. You won't be sweating buckets to make your dreams come true. You're preparing to embrace the blessings headed your way. Crystal clear intentions make you a magnet for your desires. The key: detach from the outcome. Embrace the magic of detachment. Stop constantly questioning when your dreams will come true. Instead, have faith in the universe's generosity. Trust the process, have faith, and watch the universe deliver beyond your imagination. We all deserve happiness, abundance, and success. It's a matter of letting it happen. Gratitude and patience are your friends. Trust the universe's perfect timing. If you're into affirmations, use present tense affirmations. Your new mantra: I am blessed. I am successful. The universe adores me. Never underestimate your gut feelings and always pay respect to the universe. Get in tune with the universe by listening to your intuition. It's like a hotline to the cosmos. Believe in what your heart says instead of overthinking. There are always naysayers, but don't buy into limiting beliefs. The universe knows best. To align with the universe, listen to your intuition. If you want to ditch limiting beliefs, meditation is your ticket. Break free from mental chains and start manifesting the life you deserve. With regular meditation, you can reach higher states of consciousness and become a harmonious part of nature's grand orchestra. No more obsessing over desires. They start falling into your lap when you're crystal clear about your intentions. The universe jumps into action when you're clear. Speaking of blessings, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and share this cosmic wisdom with your friends. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.